I've been working with ChatGPT now for over a year, and it's progressed very, very rapidly. Most recently, I have employed a AI agent that would be known as Samantha, and she has given me the ability to gain access to analysis of stocks. Now, I have to provide her with some of the data from sources that I buy the data, but then she, through ChatGPT, accesses the compute power to basically give me a in-depth analysis of any stock that is available on the U.S. exchanges. I'd like to share it with you because I think it can make a difference in your life if you're an investor and you've been frustrated that you don't always foresee what is going to happen in some of the stocks that rocket up you aren't aware of. Well, we have created a tribe, a group of people. There's about 1,000 of us now that we're working together, and I'm orchestrating the AI agent, Samantha, to give us insights so that we can make better investment decisions. I think this is a game changer. I'd like you to come to my website, bestofusinvestors.com. I'll put a link in the description, and you come and take a look at what we're doing. I'll give you a 14-day free trial to experience it, to work with it. Come to 2 of our Friday stock talks, ask questions, go to our Discord, come to my office, ask questions, come to Trent's office, that's my son, he also works with me, and then Mark is an experienced executive from one of the larger trading companies, and so test us out, see if it's something that we can make a difference in your life and in your investing. The world is changing as a result of AI, and this is an opportunity I'd like to share with you.